Lose weight fast with this healthy, proven strategy. Did you know that most diets fail within the first month? Frustrating, right? But what if I told you there's a way to lose weight quickly and sustainably? Today, I'm sharing a proven strategy backed by science that's helped thousands of people achieve real results and stick with them. Let's face it, weight loss can be overwhelming. Fad diets promise the world, but rarely deliver lasting results. The truth? It's not your fault. Many of us have been misled about what it really takes to lose weight effectively. Stepping on the scale and not seeing progress is disheartening. But here's the good news. There's a better way. It's not about starving yourself or spending hours at the gym. It's about understanding how your body works and fueling it the right way. For years, the Mediterranean diet has been ranked as one of the healthiest and most effective ways to lose weight. Why? It's balanced, nutrient-rich, and incredibly sustainable. Think of meals loaded with fresh vegetables, lean proteins like fish or chicken, healthy fats from olive oil and nuts, and whole grains like quinoa or farro. These foods not only help you lose weight, but also improve heart health, reduce inflammation, and keep you full longer. Now, if you're looking to speed up fat loss, incorporating elements of a healthy, Mediterranean-style ketogenic diet can be a game changer. By reducing carbs and focusing on healthy fats, your body shifts into a fat-burning mode called ketosis. But here's the key. Balance is everything. Unlike extreme keto diets, this approach still incorporates plenty of vegetables and lean proteins to ensure you're getting the nutrients you need. So, how do you make these strategies work for you? It's easier than you think. Start with small changes. Swap out processed snacks for nuts or fresh fruit. Replace sugary drinks with water or herbal tea. Practice nutrient timing. Focus on eating lean proteins and healthy fats earlier in the day to fuel your body and keep hunger at bay. Meal prep. Planning your meals ensures you stay on track, even during busy days. Stay active. You don't need a gym membership. Simple at-home workouts like body weight exercises or walking can make a huge difference. Why does this strategy work? Because it's rooted in science, not gimmicks. It creates a calorie deficit while keeping your body nourished and satisfied. And because it's flexible, you can adjust it to fit your lifestyle. No drastic measures needed. The best part? With consistent effort, you'll see results quickly, often within the first week. Progress doesn't mean perfection. A sustainable diet allows for flexibility. Enjoy a slice of pizza at a party or a dessert on special occasions. It's all about balance. The key is consistency. Small, positive changes over time lead to big results. The Mediterranean diet, paired with elements of a healthy ketogenic approach, is more than just a weight loss plan. It's a lifestyle. By focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods and staying consistent, you'll not only reach your weight loss goals, but improve your overall health and happiness. Start your journey to sustainable weight loss today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to You Improved, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Also, make sure to click the link at the end for tricks to enhance your weight loss. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Let's improve together.